everyone.
Hi everyone.
Thanks for taking a peek at our video.
Thanks for taking a peek at our video.
I have my little helper here. He's a Tupperware consultant in training. It's Isaac and I'm Kathryn, of course, as you know. So as promised, I wanted to show you guys a little more what the Power Chef does. It has a few features that I love. So I like to use this a lot for chopping up onions. It's really quick. So it's a non-motorized. It's got a little pull string there. Do you want to try pulling that to see how easy it is? Even your kids can use it. How easy is that?
Really good.
Really good.
Can you try one more time?
Okay, one more time. There we go. Awesome.
Actually, another.
Okay. So you can, it's got a really sharp blade inside, which comes out, so you can chop up onions or any kind of, if you want to make a quick salsa, we've got really good recipes for that. You can do that in there. And it's also got a beater, so if you want to make a quick cake mix or whip up anything really quickly, we've got that as well. So there are measurements along the side, so you can measure everything out. I'm just going over the features really quickly on it. And it's also got on the bottom a non-slip rubber, so which comes out so you can clean that easily. And also one of my favorite features is this little funnel right here. So this just slides in right here, and if you turn it to the right, it locks it. So you can actually put in your liquid. It's got measuring, it's got measurements on there up to 50 milliliters. So you can pre-measure what you need, and then when you need it, you just turn it to the left and it'll funnel right in. So it's a really fun, cool feature for the kids too, especially. But enough of that. Today, I know we've all been stuck in quarantine, and it's Cinco de Mayo today, so I wanted to do show you guys a little fun recipe we could do. Isaac's been asking me for some slushies, so I thought I would do a really quick slushie. So we can do adult version and we can do kid version. We're going to do kid version right now, and I will tell you how to make this adult version. I'm just going to grab my ingredients. Strawberries. So we chose to go with strawberry slushie because we love strawberries, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just going to open the lid.
Yeah, we're going to open the lid.
And we need... It together here. Drop the strawberry, that's okay. So, we need 2.5 cups.
2.5 cups?
Yeah, so you want to drop that in?
Okay. Yeah. Can you open this up?
One. So we need 5 scoops of that. Here, Mommy will do. Okay, you can do one more and then I'll do the rest, okay?
I got one.
Okay, pop it in. Okay. So, again, this is just what I had in my kitchen. We haven't done groceries yet because of the quarantine, so we're going on 2.5 weeks now. We really need to get to the store. But this is a fun little treat you can whip wrap. Kind of just going to take the rest of our cake there. Okay, so I'm going to use a fruit juice. You could try it with water to keep it less sugary. I've actually never made this recipe before, so I saw it last night done on our meeting, and it looked awesome, and I wanted to give it a go. So if you wanted to make it a non-adult version, I suggest a white wine. A nice Chardonnay would go really nice with this. So I did 2.5 cups of fruit. You can do any kind of fruit you want, and we're going to do 3/4 cups of juice or wine if you'd like. So these are our measuring cups.
Can I dump it in?
Sure. Okay. You can do a little extra if you want. You spilt some there on top, so I'm just gonna dab that up so we can get our lid on.
That's okay. We can just dump it after.
This is kind of the joy of this, is we can have, it's kind of kid proof and anyone can use it. So I'm just going to put the lid back on. You need a little muscle at first to get it going. as much or as little as you want. So these are going to go really nice. It's kind of cold today. If it was a little warmer, so it would be nice. Okay, so it's coming along. I don't know if you guys can see that inside.
You just need a spatula.
So I'm going it a little bit more, so I'm gonna spin it just a few more times. It's getting easier now to spin. You want to try spinning it now? Oh, strong guy here. Okay. Okay, Mommy's gonna give it a good spin now.
You roll fast now.
Okay. So I say that's pretty good.
You know, you just have to mash it up a little more.
No, we don't have to mash it up. We're good. This can go right into our cup. Put that there. So
Now what do we have to do?
you can put a nice little strawberry on your cup and kind of rim it up. So I have these. If you were doing adult versions, these cups are really awesome. They've got, they're all color coded. You get 4 in a set. And it comes with a lid, and then you can pair it with our eco straws in there.
Make sure not to get any strawberries that are not mashed up in my cup.
It's all mashed up. We'll be good. So these are really good for like the hot tub if you want to go out, or if you want to just go out in the backyard. You got a lid, so you don't have to worry about bugs getting in there or whatnot. And then I've got a little smaller version for my little guy there. So that's kind of hard to see, but here, let me come closer. So we've got some slushies. So with us not being able to get to the convenience store to get our slushies, this is a nice homemade version of it. And I'm going to have one happy little guy. Super easy. We've all got our fun little treat.
Is it cold?
It is cold. Okay. So there you go. And I'll bring my cup and we'll get Dad his. What do we say? We say Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Very good. Thanks for watching. Take care.